Hey, 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 welcome to another Valley Forged Beach Edition again. Oh my gosh, it is January 2nd. Can you believe this? I mean, there are plenty of reasons not to live in California, but the weather is not one of them. Oh my gosh. People surfing right in the new year. Beautiful waves. It is a little bit high, which is probably what's making all the really great waves. I mean, if you see, I don't have a lot of room here. Usually I could walk all the way down. Anyways, yes, we are talking lasers, of course. Absolutely wonderful year in lasers and beaches. And I am going to talk to you about a lot of things this year, and of course I want you to drop a comment below and let me know what your questions are so that we can get into it this year. I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling around for lasers around the world. I am so blessed to be able to do what I do and hang out at beaches and still make a living with a laser business, and that I'm going to pass on everything that I possibly can to everyone. And hopefully for the people, there's just a million ways. Well, I know at least 20 ways to make a living with a laser, and even a home laser, a diode laser, like the Rolly XW that I have. You know, you can do it with just that laser, I can tell you. You know, is that the right one for every type of business? No. And there are so many different kinds of lasers. We're going to go over all of that. And the lasers, the ways, the products, the everything that you could possibly use to help you start a business this year. And this is such a great time to start right now. Because Christmas really is your season. Christmas is the season where you sell the most. Now, there are certain holidays that I do super well along the way, and those are there to really give you that boost to say, okay, this is working. But this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow scheme for sure, but it is rewarding. It's fun. It just, once you get to a certain level, you're able, you know, depending on how you structure things, you're able to really have a lot of freedom. Again, there are just more ways than there are radii from a circle, as Thoreau would say. So we'll get into all of those. Brilliant year. Very, very happy with the way things have gone. And I really appreciate everybody who watches the channel. And again, I'm just so thankful, and I really want to pass that on. And so we're going to do that this year, and I really mean this. Let me know what you think. What are the challenges and the thoughts that, you know, come up for you? What are the basics? You know, I've made a lot of videos on starting a business with a laser, but this is going to be new and updated. I have some new products and some new things that have really, really just taken off for me. And I've seen a couple of other channels that are really saying some amazing things that I want everybody to know. So I'm going to hopefully not only going to be talking about those videos, but also going to be having those people on this channel so that we can discuss all the different ways of making a living using a laser and for the least amount of price. You know, if you want to do it at home like I do, or you want to have a shop, or there's just so, again, there are so many ways, and I hope to bring all of those together in this channel this year. So like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And I really mean it. Leave a comment. I'm going to answer all of the questions on the videos for making lasers so that, you know, we can all just help each other. All right, it's a short video. Happy New Year, everybody. Looking forward to an amazing year in lasers. All right, see you in the next one. Love y'all.